Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. I'm trying to stay busy. I'm trying to stay consistent on my channel, uploading more videos and giving you guys more content to watch. So let me know what things you would like me to review, what products, what things you would like me to, give me some ideas for my upgrades on my Toyota Tacoma. It's very basic right now. So any kind of upgrades you think or mods you think would be great to see or do on my channel, go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. So the truck is new to me, but it is used as a 2020, very well taken care of. One of the things that I want to do in this video is go ahead and get that new car scent going in the car. Now my car doesn't smell too bad, like I said, it's very well taken care of, but you have a new car, you want that new car smell, you want it to feel clean, to feel fresh. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Meguiar whole air car refreshener. I haven't used this one yet. I've used other brands in the past with other of my cars, so I'm looking forward to see what this one smells like, how long the smell actually stays. We're gonna want to go ahead and turn the car on. You're gonna want to have your AC set on max, facing forward. You want your air to be cycling through, and you want your AC to be on completely high. I'll go ahead and turn it on all the way up. I don't want it to get too loud for right now. I'm gonna want to pop that off, and once you're ready, you're gonna go ahead and push this down. It's gonna start spraying. Go ahead and set it in the center or wherever you're gonna be locating it, and we're gonna set our timer for 15 minutes. Let that run, cycle through the air vents, and get the car smelling good. So get the AC all the way up. We're gonna go ahead and let that go and run for 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and set our timer. Go ahead and set our timer up for 15 minutes. So there we go. Now we just wait. And you can see the mist is just spraying in there. And you can see a little bit getting pulled, some of that mist getting pulled into the air vents, and that's going to be circulating all through your car. All right, guys, it is almost that time. The can has actually stopped spraying. So we're just waiting for the timer to completely go off. 20 something seconds, 25 seconds to go. But I can tell you right now, I'm on the outside part of the vehicle. I can actually smell the air freshener, and it smells really good. I'll tell you that. It smells fresh, it smells clean. So there it is. Timer has gone off. Let's go ahead and get in here and let's see what it's like. So, wow, definitely smells great. It's not too strong, smells really good. So it does say to go ahead and roll your windows down, let it freshen out for a little bit, let it mist out and whatnot. But I'll tell you one thing, it smells really good in here. It smells really fresh. I'll try to do an update video a little bit later on if you guys would like to know. It does say that the smell should last for a few days. I think it said something like 30 days. 30 days plus. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update and let you guys know how long the smell actually stayed in the car for, how long it stayed fresh in here. I currently do not have any other kind of air fresheners, just that. So I'll give you guys an update a little bit later on. Go ahead and drop down in the comments, let me know if you've used this in the past or you used something else in the past and what your thoughts are on it. All right, guys, see you guys later. Thanks.